All right, another exciting week for Live Good. Okay, and I'm talking about product sales, people joining worldwide, new products being released, and our nationwide campaign. And you know what? Even if you live outside of America, you guys probably know Russell Brand or, oh my gosh, how about Joe Rogan podcasts? All right, do you guys watch Fox TV? All right, listen to Fox News. Okay, we are all over now, media here in America. Okay, mainstream. And I'm a big fan of that because I want Live Good to be a household name. So when I'm driving around or messing off at my radio studio here, cranking up some things, it's always fun when out of the blue, I might be listening to Van Halen, or maybe I'm listening to some sports or news or something, and all of a sudden I hear Ben Glinsky, our CEO, talking about Live Good. And it's a well done commercial. You guys will hear it eventually. And I just sit back going, God, this is so cool because I've been in Live Good almost 2 years. And I feel like I'm ahead of the curve. I feel like I joined Netflix way before anyone knew what it was, or Costco, or the mighty Amazon. Okay? So for the last 2 years, I've become a real big fan of Live Good. I love the products, love the pricing, love the opportunity, the structure of the website, how people just click a little video, watch it, and they decide, hey, I don't want Live Good. I'm just not me. Or do you want to buy the products? Do you want to be a member, $10 a month where you can get wholesale on the products? Or like myself, be a member, but spend $40 one time for life. One time, that's all it is. And you are, boom, turn the key. You have your website, a capture page, and you're an affiliate where you can earn money by just doing a video that's 15 seconds. It could be 1 or 2 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe you like hosting things in a Zoom fashion, or maybe you just want to email or just post on social media. Be behind the camera. There's tons of videos you can use. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now to be successful and Live Good. Some of our highest paid affiliates, you won't even see them on video, but they know how to email. They know how to post. Or if they don't want to be on video, they probably have their kids that they're addicted to just doing selfies and TikToks and Facebook posts, anything social media related. All right. Maybe you got friends or family that'll do all the deeds for you. Okay. But anyway, bravo. I'm a big fan of media, especially when a company goes somewhat in the household name category. And boy, Live Good, we're just right there, guys. We're right there. So anyway, I'm just going to show you what I do. If you're not in Live Good, I got this business card at Vistaprint, $25, couple bucks shipping. I bought joincory.com. It was open. Bought it for about $11 at GoDaddy. And then they forward it to the Live Good capture page. Okay, which you'll see. And if you want to see what it looks like, maybe I'll show you here real quick. Okay, let me just put in joincory.com and then just look in the middle of your screen. All right, watch that video. Okay, see the YouTube video in the middle. If you want more information, put your name and email address in this little box and hit reserve my position. Or if you want to join, it's the same process. Just open up your Live Good email and join according to the instructions. It's super easy. You're going to have this exact page. You just, instead of says, what does it say? Welcome to Live Good Cory's website. You can put a business name or nothing, or put your own personal name. I prefer my personal name. I want people to know who I am. That's why my email address is Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can join Live Good by going to CoryDraper.com. Obviously, I think I showed you this just a second ago. Join. All right, you see the theme? And then when people come to my website, they have no doubt that, boom, there's my name right there. See in the middle? So it's up to you, though. If you want to hide or just be anonymous, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, but if you do want to brand your name, I think it's valuable to do that as well. So, all right, guys, thanks for your time. I'll do a little shorty video. So anyway, just click joincory.com. Go ahead and go to this page, and you guys will figure it out from there, okay? All right, I'm a big fan. I love the old Live Good. Good company, guys. I'm almost on my 2 years. And 2 months anyway. I got about another month or two, and I can say happy birthday twice to me. Okay? All right, that's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, my email address is Cory@CoryDraper.com. I'm not shy. If I can help you, I definitely will. Okay? But all you got to do is just click that link, climb aboard, and let's earn some money too. Get healthy as well. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.